Hey everyone, Brian here with Fellow. Today's coffee drop features Coava Coffee Roasters Ethiopia Kilenso. This is an Ethiopian natural coffee and we've tasted watermelon, strawberries, and lavender. This coffee produces just a nice and clean, pleasant cup. We're brewing this coffee in a pour over. We're trying something a little different this week, so if you do end up ordering this coffee, we will send you a full brew guide. As always, all of our recipes are in the description below. Please let us know if you have any questions. We're brewing on the Stag S dripper today, and in a pour over, you're getting that watermelon, you're getting that strawberry, but for me, what I really like about it is actually the aromatics. The aromatics are very floral, you're getting the lavender. It's just such a pleasant and nice cup to drink, and it just makes this coffee very enjoyable. I'm going to have Haley brew up a cup of this Ethiopia Kilenso, and we'll be discussing. Cheers.
Cheers.
So what do you taste, Haley?
Oh man, I really, just like the first time I tried this coffee, I get like strawberry water vibes and like a honeydew roundness to it, but it's still not pulpy at all, and it's very clean. It's like the natural of our dreams. So if I'm looking at our wall too, like if we're breaking it down floral and we go into like smaller floral, we go down to jasmine, rose, or chamomile, definitely lavender, but if I had to pick one of the three as well, I'd still say rose. I still say it was that rose hips kind of feel. I love the aromatics just on the first nose. After you sip it and you kind of go through the whole mouthfeel experience, there's just this lingering total lavender vibe going on. And it really just sort of hangs. It's just so pleasant.
If you do order this coffee, the full recipe will be texted to you. You'll see Haley doing the full brew with this Coava coffee and the whole pour over recipe, and I think that'll be really fun. So stay tuned for that, and as always, ordering is easy. Just reply back with the number of bags you want, and please let us know if you have any questions regarding how to brew this coffee or anything else with Fellow Drops. Thanks for spending your time to watch the video, and we'll see you next week.
Thanks, guys.